One of the biggest problems for merchants is that random emails get caught in the spam filters. There are a variety of spam filters used by email providers such as Google, Gmail and others. And they are becoming very strict on which emails get sent to the inbox and which emails get sent to the spam folder. Free emails such as Gmail, Hotmail and Yahoo are more likely to end up in the spam folder because of this. What I'm going to show you in the next two videos is a way to get around this problem by first registering a domain with Namecheap and second creating an email domain address, which will have for a merchant a greater chance of getting past the spam filter and ending up in the inbox, which is what we want. This video is part 1, register a domain with Namecheap. So the first thing we're going to do is go to Google, type in the word Namecheap and click enter or search. And as you can see here on the top is namecheap.com. This is the link we want to click. Just click it and we'll go to Namecheap. And this is their main page in which you can do a search for a domain here by clicking in this box here. So here we are at the search bar. We click inside there and we do a search for the domain name that we would like to have for our domain. And the one I'm going to choose is Manifest Your Desires. Manifest Your Desires. So I type that in to the bar. I come across and click on the search bar, the red one, and you're taken to this page here. And as you can see, manifestyourdesires.com.au is available. Now if I wanted this, I could just add it to the cart by clicking this green button here, and it would be added to the cart, and then you can go ahead and buy it. So if you want that, that's available. I would just want to show you something if it comes up as no. So I'm going to click in or write in .com, and as you can see it says it's not available. You don't want to be making any offers. If it's gone, it's gone. Don't worry about it. But what you can do is come down, if you get the scroll bar and scroll down, and as you can see there are more available in different formats where there's global, .club, .online, .site, etc. It's always good to try, if you can, to either use .com or .info, .net or .org or .me. They're kind of the popular ones, or .com.au as we saw before. .co.uk is always good. What you can do is, you see this button here, explore more. So what you can do is just come down here and click on the green button here with a white cross, and as you can see it takes you into the categories. So for what I'm going to be using is personal. Okay, so this is the one I like here, manifestyourdesires.me, and here it says $3.88 a year. So for the first year it's going to cost me $3.88, and then after that for the second year it's going to cost me $18.99 a year. Now it won't rise after that, that's the final price there. Okay, so here you have like $4.88 and then it goes to $24.88 a year. Okay, so don't go too expensive, don't go for something like this, it's too expensive. Just stick with a nice cheap one like this. And what you can do, as you can see it's all grayed out with a plus sign. You click on this to add it to the cart. So it's a bit like a shopping centre. You go around, you collect your groceries, you see what you want, which is this manifesting your desires.me, and then you put it into your shopping cart with this one here and you click add. And what will happen is, we'll just scroll down a little bit so you can see that. Ignore these upsells. You no need to get any of these, especially the private email. It says free, but actually it's free for the first 2 months and then they start charging you. And we don't need any of these for the process that I'm showing you. Okay, so what we do is scroll all the way up, and actually just before I do that I just want to show you, I'll scroll back down again, right down the bottom here, you see here, so you can always chat with a live person if you get into trouble or you get stuck with anything, and they can help you out. They're very helpful. So we go right to the top here, And as you can see, your cart, this is my cart, manifest your desires. If I change my mind and I don't want it, I can always just click here, this cross here. And we go down to view your cart. So let's click on that big red button. And here it's asking us to confirm our order. Now, domain registration, here is just check, always check that you've got it spelt right. The amount of times I've bought URLs and then realized that they're not spelt right. Manifest your desires.me is perfect. And if I want to, I can always, again, if I don't want it, to change my mind, I can delete item from cart and you can start again. Down here you'll find upsells which you do not want, so ignore that and just click here on the confirm order button. So here we are at the order section, and you can just check over the details by scrolling down and making sure everything's right. Your information's there, and up here you can see there's a checkout with PayPal button there. So if you have a PayPal account, you can go here, or you can select other payment options by clicking this one here. So clicking on this checkout PayPal button, just click on that and you'll be taken to the order page within PayPal, and you can go through this process of either paying through a credit card if you want, or we can log in, and here you can see the payment page where we click continue. And here we are at the end with the order details. Your order has been successful. Here's my customer information on the right, payment method, and the domain that we have registered is here. Okay, so what we can do now is we can go and manage the domain. Now don't click this one here. What I'd like to get you used to is clicking this head and shoulders at the top here, click dashboard, and this will take you back to the main page here. What we do now is go down here on the left hand side, you'll see domain list. Click on this link here, and as you can see, this one here is the one we just registered, which is active. You can either switch auto renewal on. I sometimes do with some domains. It's entirely up to you whether you do or not. They are very good in the fact that they do email you a month before a few times to let you know that your domain needs renewing. So the next video I'd like to show you how to set up the email forwarding process, which will help you get past the spam filters. So thanks for watching, and we'll see you on the next video.